Welcome to Healing Recipes. Today I am going to make oil-free cauliflower.
In 3/4 cup of curds, add 3/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half a teaspoon crushed chili flakes, half a teaspoon curry powder or garam masala or any sabzi masala of your choice. Mix it well and keep aside for about 10 minutes. Place a heavy bottom pan on a high flame for about 1.5 minutes so that it gets well heated. Add cumin seeds and nigella seeds in the heated pan. When the seeds start crackling, reduce the flame and add the curds mixture and stir well. Please pour in the mixture carefully and don't burn your hand since the pan is very hot. Keep stirring for about 2 minutes. Add the cauliflower florets and mix well. Cover the pan with a lid and cook. After 5 minutes, mix again. After another 5 minutes, mix and cover again for 3 to 4 minutes. Check if cauliflower florets are tender and split easily. When the cauliflower is fully cooked, dry the remaining liquid in the pan. Serve with garnishing of your choice.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.